DRG Kids.
Story: The Spirit in the Bottle. The king of Vallabhgarh, Raja Bhim Sen, was a very kind and benevolent ruler. His daughter Rajkumari Ratna was very beautiful. Rajkumari Ratna was very fond of hunting. One day when she set out to hunt, she went very deep into the forest.
I think I have come far away from the kingdom. It's getting dark. I should return to the palace immediately.
Having said so, the princess started on her way back to the kingdom. But darkness was setting in and the forest was very dense.
It's so dark I can't even make out if I am going in the right direction or not. My horse is also tired. I should rest a little here.
The princess sat down below a tree to rest for a while. On the same tree, a spirit resided. When she laid her eyes on the princess, she thought to herself,
Wow! Fresh meat! I'm hungry since yesterday. Today I will eat this girl and fill my tummy. Wow! It will be fun.
While the spirit was thinking all this, the princess saw a fire flame far away.
I can see fire. Maybe someone is there. I should go there and see.
The princess started going towards the fire.
Oh no! Where is this girl going? I won't let my meal escape like this. I have to eat her today.
The spirit starts following the princess. When the princess reaches the fire, she sees a tent and a horse tied near it. At that moment, a man comes out, sees the princess and asks her,
Who are you? And what are you doing here at the forest at this hour?
I'm Princess Ratna of Vallabhgarh. I came out to hunt, but I did not realize when I came so far away. I was going back to the palace, but I got lost due to the darkness. I saw the flame burning here, so I came.
You did the right thing. The palace of Vallabhgarh is very far away from here. You can spend the night here in the tent safely.
But who are you?
I am the Prince of Jaigarh, Vikram.
Oh, okay. So you are Prince Vikram. We have heard a lot of stories about your bravery back in the palace.
It is my complete honor, Princess. We have also heard about your beauty. And today I saw you in person. You are very beautiful.
The princess thought to herself.
I wish I could get married to Prince Vikram.
That's when Prince Vikram says,
Princess, if I have your permission, then I would like to present a proposal to you.
Yes, please.
I would like to marry you, Princess. Do you like me?
The princess starts feeling shy and she nods in agreement.
Let's go. You should rest now.
The spirit saw the prince and was overjoyed. She thought to herself,
Such a handsome prince. I will marry him. But this prince wants to marry the princess, it seems. I won't let this happen. Only I'll get married to him.
In the morning, the prince and the princess set out together towards Vallabhgarh.
Let's go. I will escort you to your kingdom at Vallabhgarh.
Both of them arrive at the palace. The princess goes to the royal court, but she gets startled seeing her lookalike over there. And then she tells the lookalike,
Who are you? And why you are sitting in my place?
Seeing the princess, the king and all others in the royal court get shocked. Who are you?
What are you saying, dear father? I am your daughter, Princess Ratna.
You are lying. She is my daughter.
No, dear father. I am your daughter. This is someone else who looks just like me.
Hey girl, what are you saying? I'm Princess Ratna.
Seeing two people of the same face, everyone in the court are completely perplexed.
Your Majesty, how will we know who is the real princess amongst these two?
I am the real Princess Ratna. I had gone for hunting yesterday, but since it got late at night, I spent the night there at the forest. Prince Vikram of Jaigarh was also with me. You can ask him too.
Yes, my king. The princess is telling the absolute truth. She was at the forest yesterday night.
But what is the proof? How do we believe that she is the real Princess Ratna? Because our Princess Ratna came back last night. At that moment, fake Ratna speaks.
Listen, Prince. Yesterday I was the one you met. At night when I was sleeping in the tent, I suddenly thought of my dear father and felt that he would be worried about me. So without informing you, I came back here.
Prince Vikram was also confused hearing all this. He kept looking at the real princess and the fake princess. No one was believing the words of Princess Ratna, and thus the king ordered, "Lock this dishonest girl in the dungeons and welcome Prince Vikram to our royal guest quarters." The real poor princess quietly goes to the dungeons, and on the other hand, the fake princess enjoys in a room.
Now I will enjoy here by pretending to be the real princess, and soon I'll tell the king and get married to the prince. Princess Ratna will spend her life in the dungeons.
On the other hand, the king is very disturbed in his quarters. He tells his minister, "Minister, I am in a huge dilemma. I really do not know what I should do. Am I making any mistake?"
Your Highness, we should test both the princesses at the earliest, so that we can know who the real Princess Ratna is. Your Majesty, give me time till tomorrow morning.
After this, the minister whispers something into the king's ears. The next day, a saint comes to the court with the minister.
Your Highness, this holy sage has come to bless Princess Ratna.
"Please take a seat, O saint." Then Princess Ratna is summoned to the court. The fake princess is already present in the court. The king says, "As you all know that we have two princesses in front of us. One of them is the real princess and the other is a fake. So we have found one way to find the real princess." On hearing this, the fake princess gets scared and she starts thinking to
King,
herself,
what way have you found out?
"Today after ages, I'll play with my daughter the same game which she used to play when she was a child."
Which game, Your Highness?
The same old game, minister, in which the princess used to enter a bottle in order to hide from me. Saying this, the king points to a bottle being held by the saint in his hands. Hearing this, the fake princess thinks to herself,
Before Princess Ratna tries and enters the bottle, I will quickly enter it.
and as she thinks of this, she immediately shrinks in size and enters the bottle. The moment she enters the bottle, the saint fastens the cap of the bottle tightly and says,
Now you stay here. You had come to fool everyone pretending to be their princess. I know that you are a spirit. You saw the princess in the forest and came here before she could arrive.
Princess Ratna runs and hugs her father tightly.
Oh dear father, I am the real Princess Ratna.
"Yes, daughter. I made a huge mistake yesterday, but the minister's intelligence and smartness saved our real princess.
What do we do with the spirit, O king?
Let her stay in that bottle and bury her in the ground in the depths of our dungeons." Prince Vikram was also present in the royal court. The princess narrated the whole story to the king. "My dear Prince Vikram, you have helped my daughter in her need, and you have done us a huge favor. What can I possibly do for you in return?"
Dear king, if I may have your permission, I would like to marry Princess Ratna.
The king becomes overjoyed hearing this. "That would be an honor if my daughter marries you, O prince. I will announce the marriage right away." The royal court buzzes with happiness and praises for the king, and then after a few days, Prince Vikram and Princess Ratna get married.